Hey guys! It's about that time for All About Things with Miss Alyssa. Today's lesson will be about math, addition and subtraction number sentences to be exact. Some of you may feel overwhelmed when it comes to learning math. But have no fear. Math is so much fun, and I'll teach it in an easy way. Also, don't forget to download the worksheet that goes along with the video. First, let's talk about a few math symbols that we often see. Here, I have an addition or plus sign. This symbol means we are adding or joining groups of items together. And this symbol here is called a minus sign. A minus sign tells us we are subtracting or taking away items from a group. And our last symbol is called an equal sign. This symbol means the total or sum of the groups. Using these symbols together make what we call a number sentence. So, are you feeling more confident now that we have a clearer understanding of an addition, subtraction, and equal sign? Great to hear! Before we begin using these math symbols in a number sentence, I will be using items for you to follow along with. These items are a great tool to use for a hands-on approach when first learning about addition and subtraction. Okay, let's begin with an addition number sentence. Here in the first group, we have 2 crayons. 1, 2, followed by our plus sign. Remember what that means? Right, we are adding or joining our groups together. And in our second group, we have just 1 crayon. 1. This is followed by our equal sign, which means, right, this equal sign means our total or sum of the groups. So let's count all of the crayons together to find our total. 1, 2, 3. We have a total of 3 crayons. You solved your first addition number sentence. Great job! Let's try one more. Here in the first group, we have 3 buttons, followed by our plus sign. And in the second group, we have 2 more buttons. That is followed by our equal sign. So in this number sentence, what is our total or sum? That's right, it is 5. Let us count both of the groups together to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we were right. 3 buttons plus 2 more buttons gives us a total or sum of 5 buttons altogether. Awesome job, math wizards! Wasn't it fun learning addition number sentences? Now, let's try our brain power on some subtraction number sentences. Remember, subtraction means we are taking away items from a group to find a total or sum. Also remember, when solving subtraction number sentences, we always take away from the bigger number. Let's take a look. In our first group, we have 4 candies, followed by our minus sign. And in the second group, we have just 1 candy. So in this number sentence, we are taking away just 1 candy from the bigger number. What are we left with? What is our total? 4 candies minus or take away 1 candy, and that gives us a total of 3 candies. We did it! Great job! Okay, we have time for just one more subtraction number sentence. In this problem, our first group has 5 pennies, and in our second group, we have 2 pennies. So let's take away 2 pennies from our bigger number. What does that leave us with? What is the total or sum? That's right, 5 pennies minus 2 pennies gives us a total of 3 pennies. Great job, everyone! Math can sometimes be challenging, but if you follow the steps you just learned, you'll become a math wizard in no time. Want more practice? Download the worksheet that goes along with the video and work that brain power. Well, all right, that is all I have for you today on All About Things with Miss Alyssa. See you next time. Bye!